Everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the package delayed issue in Amazon Shopping in 2026. Seeing a package delayed message can be annoying, especially when you're expecting a delivery. Now in 2026, delays are usually caused by weather, carrier issues, or high order volume. So let's see what we can do about it. Let's follow these few simple steps. As you can see, this is the error. It tells you now expected February 18 to February 19. We're very sorry, your delivery is late. As you can see, it's delayed. Now, before we start, the Amazon app is available on both Android and iOS devices. You can download it via the Play Store and you can start shopping on Amazon. Now, let's go back to our topic. First thing you want to do is to track the package. You're going to open your orders, by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom, and click on your orders. Then you're going to tap track package. You're going to choose the package, and this gives the most up-to-date information. The second thing you want to do is to wait 24 to 48 hours. Most delays resolve automatically within a day or two. You can also check the delivery location, make sure the address is correct, and the delivery instructions are clear. And after that, you're going to contact Amazon if the delay continues. Amazon may offer a refund, replace the item, or provide delivery compensation. Now, package delays are usually temporary, and Amazon often resolves them automatically or provides a solution if the delays continues. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.